Hello friends, my name is Yogita Patil. Today I am going to discuss about my coronavirus analysis project using SQL. So first of all, let's see the overview for the dataset. So here, coronavirus pandemic has significant impact on the public health and has created urgent need for the data-driven insights. So for that, I have used here coronavirus dataset to derive meaningful insights from the given dataset. Now here these are the columns present in the dataset: province, country, latitude, longitude, date, confirm, dates and recovered. All these are the columns along with their information. Let's start with our first query. So first of all, we have to check nulls present in any of the column of the dataset. So here by using where clause, we can check whether any null value present in any of the column or not. In case if any null values are present, then we can replace that values either by some default values or zeros or some by default statement. So here I have used few default values to replace the null values. Next query is we have to check total number of rows. So here by using count clause, we can check total number of rows, and here we are getting number of rows as a 78,386. So let's see the next query. Our next query is we have to check start date and end date. So by using minimum and maximum function on the date column, we will get here start date and end date. So here if you observe, start date is January 2020 to end date is June 2021, right? Let's move towards the next query. So here next we are going to find out number of months present in the data set. So in general, you know that there are 12 months, but here we have to find out number of months present in the data set. So I have written two queries here. So first query, if you observe, this will give you the total number of months used in the data set. So here you will get some big number. So here it will count in duplicate values also. But in case if you want to find out distinct number of months or unique number of months that we present in the data set, then we can use distinct keyword, and by using this clause we will get the unique number of months, that is default value, that is all very well, that is 12 months, right? Now let's move towards the next query. Next query is we have to find out average for confirm, dates, and recovered column. So here I have arranged, first of all, I have taken year from the date column, month from the date column as a separate column, and then I have find out the average of confirmed dates and recovered column. And if you observe, I have used group by and order by clause to arrange the data according to the year and the month in the proper grouping format, right? So here is the output of this query. Next query is we have to find out most frequent values present in the confirmed dates and recovered column. So same way here I have used max function to find out most frequent values and arrange accordingly year and month. Arrange and group accordingly years and month. So here is the output for this query. Next query is similarly we have to find out minimum values for confirmed dates and recovered column. So here I have used min function to find out minimum values from confirmed column, date column and recovered column, and I have grouped that column by yearly and again ordered by yearly. So here is the output, and in the output we can see that there are minimum number of confirmed cases, there zero number of death minimum cases, and zero in recovered column also. So these are zeros are the minimum values present in all the three columns. Let's see the next query. Similarly, we have to also find out the maximum values of the confirmed dates and recovered places. So now here we can use max function, and also we can use year. We can take out year from the date column, and we can find out maximum value according to the year. So here is the output. If you observe, 2020 values are maximum as compared to 2021, but this output will give you maximum and as comparison between the 2 years, 2020 and 2021. Let's see the next query. So next query is we have to find out total number of cases in each column, that is confirmed, death and recovered column for each month. So here also same way I have taken out year from the date column, month from the month date column, and then by using some function we can find out total number of confirmed cases, death cases, and recovered cases. And when you use group by and order by, you will get the values according to the grouping through the years and months, and as well as on ascending order of years and months. So this is the output, right? Next, we'll go to the next query. Now we have to check coronavirus spread out with respect to the confirmed cases. So here we are going to find out some information regarding the confirmed cases, that is spreading of the how coronavirus spreaded during this confirmed cases. So for that we need to find out total number of confirmed cases, average confirmed cases, and variance and standard deviation of confirmed cases. So by also in SQL, there are standard function present to find out variance and standard deviation. We can use that function and we can find out the variance and standard deviation. Also, I have used here round function to show the output up to 2 decimal points, right? So here, if you observe, I have used two different queries. First query will give you the total variance and standard deviation for the complete data set, and another query will give you the yearly and monthly standard deviation and variance, right? So here is the output for this both the queries. Now let's go to the next query. Next is we have to check coronavirus spread out with respect to the death cases. So like earlier, here only difference is that we have to find out spread out regarding to the death column, right? So here also we can use same function for variance and standard deviation, and we can show the variance and standard deviation for the death column yearly as well as monthly, right? Now let's go to the next question. Similarly, we have to also find out spread out for the recovered cases. So same thing I have done here. I have done both the ways. First is for the complete data set. I got the variance and standard deviation, and another one is the yearly and monthly grouping data to get the standard deviation and variance. Right? Let's go to the next. So next query is we have to find out country having highest number of the confirmed cases. So here what we have to do is, first of all we have to find out total number of confirmed, that is we have to find out summation of confirmed column according to the country, and then we have to arrange it in the descending order. So whatever value on the top we are getting, that will be our highest value. So to get that first highest value, we have to use top clause. So if you use top 1, we will get first highest value, and if you use top 5, so you will get top 5 countries to get the highest value. So here we want only 1, so we can use top 1 to get the highest number of confirmed cases, and sorry, country name of the country having highest number of confirmed cases. So here in the output we are getting country name as a US, right? Let's go to next. Now we have to find out country name having lowest number of death cases. So similarly, here also we can use top clause to get lowest number of lowest number of cases. But here we have to arrange the data in the ascending order. Also, we have to find out total of deaths column according to the country, and we have to arrange it in the ascending order. And whatever top value we are getting, that will be our lowest number of death value. So here, if you observe, we basically top 4 countries which are having less value are given here, but we want only one, so we can use top 1. So top 1 will give you only one country name. Top 4 will give you 4 country names, right? So how many output you want, according to that you can use the value with this top clause. Okay, now let's see the next question. So next question is find out top 5 countries having highest recovered cases. So here also, to find out recovered cases, we can use top clause again, and by using this top clause we will find out summation of recovered cases country wise. We will group this by country wise and order in descending order, and we will get here top 5 countries in the output which shows highest recovered cases. And if you observe here, India is present at the first position. So India is having highest number of recovered cases, right? So, so these are a few queries that I have worked on. So I got some insights from these queries that coronavirus pandemic started from 2022 January 2020 and stayed till 13th June 2021, right? So from the previous query only we got to know that India is having highest number of recovered cases, right? And few of the countries are having lower number of deaths, like Dominica, Marshall Island, right? And US leads in confirmed corona cases. So US is having highest number of corona cases. Again, as well as we can observe that the peak value we got in month of April 2021, and that is for confirmed cases, and peak value for death cases recorded in January 2021. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Thank you.